Well, now to a possible setback in the desperate search for Nancy Guthrie. The FBI says it has found no match for the DNA from a glove found 2 miles from Guthrie's home. Now there's a new focus on the weapon seen in doorbell cam video, as CBS's Jonathan Vigliotti shows us.
As hundreds of investigators aid in the search for Nancy Guthrie, the FBI confirms DNA found on a glove 2 miles from her home is not a match in the federal criminal database. The Pima County Sheriff's Department says they'll now look to see if the DNA matches any profiles in commercial genealogy databases.
We could stand here for days and probably never be seen, and we're 20 feet from the roadway.
Just blocks from Guthrie's home, retired Pima County Lieutenant and former SWAT Commander Bob Krieger showed us the challenges investigators face as they search this desert terrain.
But in neighborhoods like this, you know, your privacy, it's a balancing act.
And what does that mean then for the search effort?
You have to be very vigilant and paying attention the entire time, because again, just a few feet, a different angle, different lighting conditions are going to change what you can see.
Authorities remain focused on this chilling video from Nancy Guthrie's doorbell camera of a masked and armed suspect. CBS News has learned the FBI is reviewing gun purchases in the Tucson area. The owner of one gun store says an agent showed him several images with faces and names on them, and also asked about purchases made in the last year.
All they want to do is find her.
How much harder does that likelihood get the further away we get from February 1st when she disappeared?
It's probably exponentially harder by the day. There's still a lot out there that the investigators don't know.
And late last night, the sheriff telling me he has not ruled out if the suspect had an accomplice that may have also entered the home. This is now day 18 and still many questions as the search continues. Jonathan Vigliotti, CBS News, Tucson, Arizona.